In addition to the beautiful experience that Remember pages provide for your business and the families you serve, you also unlock the ability to fully configure each page to your liking. To edit a Remember page's settings, navigate to the slider icon in the top right and click it. We'll start on basics. You can update the Remember page photo directly from here and change the decedent's display name if they go by a nickname or professional title. The QR code tab offers the option for you to download the QR code to the decedent's Remember page in case it needs to be downloaded on any physical products or materials, or even shared via text or email. Under Theme, you're able to select a different theme for the Remember page from 30 different options that are available to you. Next, you also have the freedom to update the cover photo for the Remember page on an as-needed basis. Under Extras, you unlock the ability to embed GoFundMes, a YouTube video, or a Tukios memorial video directly onto the decedent's Remember page. Lastly, and most importantly, we have the Configure tab. From here, you and your families have 15 plus different toggles to select or deselect to fully customize each Remember page. Any toggles with an eyeball icon directly to the right cannot be adjusted by the families. So let's start with the first toggle, Show Birth and Death Year. If you toggle this off, the birth and death year are no longer displayed directly below Evelyn's name. However, if we go and toggle it back on, you'll notice that they now appear. The next is the inscription message, which is this message highlighted right here. If we go back to the configuration settings and toggle that off, you'll notice that it disappears. The next toggle is the option to show the obituary. If we scroll down a little bit and go to the obituary section, you'll see that it's currently displayed right here on the Remember page. If we go to the configuration settings, toggle it off, you'll notice that the obit is no longer displayed. Next, we have the GoFundMe link. You'll notice the GoFundMe link right here. Again, if we go to the toggle, we can configure it so that it is turned off. You are able to add and use that section for any other link as well, including donations or causes. Next, we have the Show Casket Bearers and Show Service Details toggles. These will allow you to show additional service information on the Remember page. However, if the task isn't completed from the workflow and gather, this information also won't be displayed regardless. Next, we have the Show Events toggle. This section allows you to show or hide any scheduled services or events, which can be found through this tab right here. Let's go ahead and toggle it off. And you can see right here, events are no longer displayed. Next, we have the option to embed a memorial video. This section allows you to embed a YouTube or Tukios memorial video directly to the Remember page, which can be found right here. Let's go ahead and toggle it off so you can see what it looks like without. You can see that it disappears and the section below it moves up. The next toggle is the option to show flowers and cards. This section actually displays real cards and photos of gifts or flowers received for the services, which is this section right here. Again, you can choose to toggle this section off. And you'll notice that it disappears. The last toggle, or one of the last toggles, is the option to show 5 feature photos, which you can see right here, which look beautiful. You can choose to turn these off as well if you'd like, and they will disappear. We typically recommend that you keep the 5 feature photos turned on, as it gives a more professional and beautiful look to the entire Remember page. The last configuration, or the last setting that you can update, are the ability to hide the social share options. To hide some of these, you simply click them and they'll disappear. Where you'll find these social share icons is up at the top, and you can see that now we only have 5 instead of 10. All of these configurable settings enable you to craft a unique Remember page experience for every family that you serve, and boost your business's marketing presence overall. Still have support-related questions? You can call our support team directly at 208-908-0488, or you can chat in with our support team directly in the Gather platform.